Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are making banana pudding. You will need some milk, some vanilla wafers. You're going to need some vanilla sugar wafers. We're also going to be using some jello pudding, the French vanilla flavor, and we're also going to be using the cheesecake flavor. You will also need some vanilla extract, some salt, some butter, some graham cracker crumbs, some whipped topping, and the star, some bananas. So we're going to get started by making some graham cracker crumbs. You simply just need the graham cracker crumbs with a little sugar. You're going to mix that together, combine it, and then you're going to add in some melted butter. Give that a mix just until it's completely combined. The finished result should look like sand. You will bake this for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Remove it from the oven. And then you're simply just going to break it into bite-sized pieces. If you want smaller pieces, keep going. For the jello pudding mix, just prepare it according to the package directions. We're going to start by layering the cookies in the bottom of your pan or container. I chose a container because I wanted to gift the banana pudding to a close friend. So I just wanted it to be in a festive container when I gave it to her. You're going to layer your cookies at the bottom. And then you're going to layer the pudding. I chose to do mine with an ice cream scoop or a portion scoop, but you can use a large spoon or whatever you have, and you're simply going to spread it evenly. Then the next step is going to be to add the bananas. This will be a whole banana. It's not too thick, not too thin, but somewhere right in the middle. After you add your bananas, you're going to go in with those sugar vanilla wafers. It's not your traditional cookie, but it works. I saw this on someone else's channel, and I just thought I would give it a try, and I was pleased. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel. The next step, we're going to go in with some of those graham cracker crumbs. These are so good when you bake those in the oven and they get nice and crispy. They're very good for snacking, but be careful because they're addictive. You cannot eat just one. Okay, we're going in with another layer of the pudding. And once again, we're going to spread that evenly on top of the layer of cookies, and then you're going to go in with another layer of bananas. This is another whole banana. Place that evenly just like you did before, and then you can either stop here with a layer of cookies, or you can take it to the next level and top it with the whipped topping. Simply place the entire container on top and just spread it evenly on top of the layer of cookies all the way to the edge of the container. Obviously, I needed a bigger container. Try to stay inside yours. Don't do like me. I was being a little extra, putting too much inside of the container. At this point, you can go in and garnish the top with additional graham cracker crumbs and more cookies or whatever you would like to add to the top. Just make it nice and pretty. And we are done. Look at that, y'all. Isn't it pretty? Thank you so much for watching. See you later.